So we got the scope of work. There's only a few shakes to be repaired. So what we're going to try and do is we're going to try and repair one of these old wood shakes. Our concern is that whenever we attempt to repair these, that we're going to do more damage than good. So we're going to try and attempt to repair this shake right here and see if we can do it without affecting the rest of the roof. As you can see, there's a lot of shakes that have been lifted up, staples are backing out. A lot of this roof is dilapidated. Right now what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get this staple out so I can pull this one out. I'm going to have to do the same thing to this one. I tried to pull it out hoping that maybe I could just bend the staples, but it wasn't working out. Okay, hand me that shape. I need another small one too. Okay, so what we're going to try and do now is we're going to attempt to get this piece of shake on top of the first row of felt and interlock with the back piece of felt that's way back here. Now keep in mind, these shakes are nailed right here. So there's probably going to be nails right there, so we may have to pull a few items.